If you could not find the recovery environment error in Windows, you can try following solutions. This error is mainly due to Windows recovery environment is corrupted or disabled. For this, go to search and type cmd and then select it and select run as administrator. If you get the pop-up, click on yes. In this command prompt, type reagentc/enable and press enter. This will enable Windows recovery environment on a system if it is disabled. Now try whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then move to next steps. If enabling doesn't work, you may need to set the recovery environment location. For this, go and open command prompt as administrator. Then let's create WindowsRE folder for this, type following command. You can see folder is created. Now set the recovery environment with following command. I will provide in description. After, try again and it should solve your problem. If that does not work, then let's try rebuilding boot configuration data. This command rebuilds the boot configuration for your Windows system. When the recovery environment can't be found, it helps rebuild the entire boot structure. This should fix your problem. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.